Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I think I'm gonna put the camera right here. All right. Good morning, guys. So the SPY is pulling back pretty heavily. The whole market is taking a downturn, but it's doing this in the pre-market, okay? It's doing this in pre-market. So at some point, it's going to turn around and it's going to appear like it's running. It's just my thoughts, okay? And but I'm not going to really make any trades today. I just want to see what the market's going to do. I want to see what the market's going to do, okay? I'm going to give you my opinion. This is what I think. After being in the stock market and learning how it operates, I am so convinced that there's things going on in the stock market where that happens and it makes people lose money. Just not only people that are millionaires. Everybody lose money, but there's some people that gain way more back. But people on our level that has a 9 to 5, go to work, and we try to get rich in the stock market. We try to learn the stock market. And a lot of times you find yourself losing more than what you're winning. And the stock market can be like that, okay? And what I'm about to say is just my solely opinion, just my opinion. This is what I feel like. I feel like that most people that are trying to chase stocks and get wealthy in certain stocks, I think if they travel to crypto and learn how crypto works and how these cycles work, okay? And that's the very important thing, how these cycles work in the bull market of a crypto bull market, okay? On good crypto, on certain cryptos that you already know for a fact, they have this pattern of running higher and higher and higher. So if you go back, I don't know, 10 years, 15 years, whatever, and you look at the Bitcoin cycle, okay, you're really going to see it start down here and go up and up and up. Now these big dips, it could take a year or two, but eventually it start running up, okay? And it constantly runs up, but then it come down. Then it keeps making these new highs and these new highs and these new highs. This is what Bitcoin does. And everything else follows Bitcoin. A lot of, not stocks, a lot of crypto will follow Bitcoin. So we have to figure out what coins that we can invest in, that if you invest enough and it reaches a certain high, say for example it reaches the previous high of the last run, not just Bitcoin, it could be any other coin, and you invest enough, and you have to do the math, you invest enough, and say we're near the bottom right now, we could be coming out the bottom. I think we're starting to come out of a bottom of a lot of coins, but you invest enough to where if it hits that high or approaches that high, you can have $500,000 or you can have $1 million, okay? But keep in mind, it's going to pull back because it's a smooth curve going up. It's going to be like jagged, up, down, up, down, up, down on a daily basis. So it's going to look like you're losing money. You could be losing money. But you won't know that until we start coming out of that dip and start going up, okay? And no one can predict where the bottom is. No one can predict when the top. So in my opinion, I think more people that knows about and know how the crypto market works will be wealthier going into the crypto market. Okay. Now, I'm not telling you to go do that, but I think it's a good idea to learn how the crypto market works for a lot of people, because crypto is it's starting to be more accepted now than what it was a couple of years ago. Okay. And every year it gets more and more accepted. Like, you never knew that the a Bitcoin ETF was going to show up in the stock market. You never heard of the stock market talking about Bitcoin and watching it, and big celebrities and people with money are investing in Bitcoin, are actually buying it now, versus a couple years ago no one wants to touch it. A lot of celebrities and big institutions didn't want to touch it, but now it's like it's getting into the stock market. Some of the stock people are reporting it every day, so you already know it's something's gonna happen, right? Just a couple years ago, it reached what was it, 40 or 50, almost 60,000, somewhere around there. And when it starts to run again, you already know most likely it's going to hit those highs again and probably go beyond that. Okay, so when you get in the crypto market, learn it, invest wisely. And if you invest in the right coins, me personally, I'm going to have enough coins to where if a certain coin reach a certain price again, I'm going to be a millionaire. Like, it's no doubt. It's a no-brainer. So keep that in mind, okay? Always look at the previous high of a certain coin and see if it still has that cycle, like a Bitcoin cycle. You got to look at the chart and stretch it out and look at the cycle, okay? That's probably one of the best advice I can give if you're going into the crypto market, okay? But that's it, guys. Like I said, I'm just going to keep an eye on the stock market. I'm not going to make any trades unless I see a very, very good opportunity, okay? But right now, everything's pulling back. A lot of stuff, I'm in a red like a lot of people are. But we're just going to watch it and keep our eye, learn the crypto market. If I can't stress anything else for new investors, if you're learning stocks, learn the crypto market, because you don't want to be left out once everything just start taking off. When everything's take off, learn the crypto market. That's all I can say. Okay. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Take care. Peace.